Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to open an eBay store. So to do that, we will need to use our browsing system, so open your preferred browser and then search for this eBay store subscription and open this official website of eBay, subscription and fees. And here, if you scroll a little bit to the down, you will see different types of subscription plans. So here we have starter, basic, premium, anchor and enterprise. So if you are just starting to sell on eBay, I think the great option for you will be starter store. But you can read all the information and compare those subscription plans. If you go to show subscription features, and for example go for some category, yes, here you see. So this is for starter store subscribers. This is all the information if you have starter store subscription, and then this is the information for basic, premium, anchor and enterprise store subscribers. And here will be all the information that you can get acquainted with and choose which store suits you basically the best. After you chose a store, you need to press button select starter store, and so I have the problem, so I don't have valid payment method on file, and that's why I cannot select some store, but you should have that. You should have valid payment method. So after you basically hit the button subscribe now, then you need to set up the store name, so give the name to your store. So it should be catchy, and that one that people will memorize. Then you should set up logo and banner of your store. Also select categories and write your description. So you need to tell your brand story and who you basically are. And yes, that's how you can open an eBay store. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.